Musician teacher must-have. Let's unbox it. This is the large dry erase music staff magnet. This Scribbledo magnetic grand staff whiteboard is perfect for explaining music theory. For example, where is middle C? Or drawing notes. We draw a lot of notes in music class, so it's very easy to draw on. It's very easy to erase. It's really great for explaining difficult concepts for students, counting lines and spaces. Here are our space notes. So I highly recommend this product. Follow for more behind-the-scenes tools I use to teach music.